Hey guys, welcome back to part 6 of this series, and in this part we are going to design our recycler adapter. So first of all, create a new package naming adapters. So adapters, and I'm going to create a new Kotlin class naming news paging adapter. So paging adapter, and going to extend this thing with paging data adapter. Yes, this one. And our so first thing is pass our article, and second is our view holder. So we are going to create our view holder within this news paging adapter class. So news paging adapter, and giving that view holder name my view holder. And here within this braces we are going to pass diff util, which we will create within this news paging adapter class. So first of all, create our diff util. So companion object val diff underscore util. It is an object of diff util dot item callback, and pass our article in it. Now simply implement two methods, our item same and our content the same. So remove these two do's, and here first thing I'm going to return our if our old item equals to our new item. And here we are going to check our old item dot title is equals to new item title. Now pass this diff util to this constructor of this paging data adapter, and now you can see our error will gone. And second, create an inner class naming my view holder. So my view holder, pass view data binding. So view data binding, and extend this thing with recycler view dot view holder, pass our view data binding dot root. Yes. Now go in our on bind view holder where we can bind our data to the view holder. So first of all, just implement on create view holder. So we are using data binding. So first of all, we inflate the view. So list item binding dot inflate, pass our layout inflator dot from our context, which is right coming from parent dot context, pass our view group, which is parent, and third is attached to root, which is false. And now return our view holder. So my view holder, pass this binding in it, and that's it. So now it's time to bind our data to the view holder. So using our holder dot view data binding, we are going to set a variable which is br dot article, and pass our, just a second, first create a item and take the item of that particular position, and now pass this item here. And secondly, we have to use glide in order to show the image or load the image. So glide with, and here we are going to pass holder dot view data binding dot root. So this is a basically a root view, and load the URL, and in our case URL is URL to image, and target is our holder dot view data binding dot root dot, and something called yes image list item. So that's it for our adapter thing. Let's wait. Okay, so yes, I know what I'm doing, don't worry. And yes, our news paging adapter will complete. So this is our list item basically. So this is our variable article, and we are going to pass our article title in this text view, and our image view we are going to load that image using glide. You can see over here. Okay, so that's it for our this particular part. In this part we are simply creating our news paging adapter. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe my channel so that I'll provide next video very quick. maybe. Okay, thank you.